Welcome to the Dell EMC Unity XT Crew Removal and Replacement series. In this series of short videos, we're going to use Unisphere and UEM CLI commands to identify faulted custom replaceable units on a Dell EMC Unity XT storage system. We'll then look at the ways to prepare the system for service, including service mode and reset and hold modes. We'll demonstrate the removal and replacement of the faulted crew, and finally verify the replacement crew is working correctly. One of the first things you want to do is to log on to the storage system using the Unisphere interface. This requires that you have initialized the system and provided an IP address in your browser, and once you do that, you're going to be brought to the page that you see here. You're going to have a username along with a password. That combination was also set up during the initialization process. And once you provide those correct credentials, we'll be able to log in and view the dashboard page. From the system view then, we see we have some errors, and we have a total of 1. You see the orange sign. It calls out the disk array enclosure on bus 1, enclosure 0, and it calls out power supply B0. So let's look at the alerts to see if the alerts are in fact the same as what we see from the system view. In fact, it is. It calls out along the same time the power supply. You can get additional information by looking at the alert and a brief description of that. You see this is a critical error, and the logs should confirm that as well. And we see here again, same time, the power supply is faulted, and you have a system has experienced one or more errors or problems. And finally, from the UEM CLI command /env/power supply show, we can also validate that in fact DAE 10PS_B0 has a major failure. So here it is in the GUI. I've navigated to the rear of the chassis. It's called out as a major fault, and so we need to replace it. And you're only going to have a couple minutes to do this, so you're going to remove the power. You would identify, of course, the power supply fault by the amber LED. Pull it straight on out. There's going to be a little orange latch that you can use, and pull it out. You're going to locate the new supply, and you're going to line it in the slots and gently push that in as well, and recable the power to the supply. And that should come up. You should see a green LED once that power is applied. So again, it's a quick replacement. You go to the system view. You see that everything looks good. It has a green circle with a white check indicating good status, and the power supply itself is healthy. So that is the removal and replacement of a power supply on a 25 drive DAE.